We live in a world of wires, batteries, fossil fuels, but what if? What if things had gone differently? Hi, I'm Evelyn. Let's imagine the world, the way it could have been. In the late 1800s, one man dreamed of a wireless world, of free energy for all. His name was Nikola Tesla. But the world wasn't ready. Greed, power, and fear dimmed his light before it could shine. But what if he wasn't stopped? Imagine a world where Tesla's ideas shaped our destiny. No wires, no pollution. Free energy flows through the air. The towers hum with life. From villages to metropolises, energy is a right, not a privilege. And the man who lit this world is remembered not as a forgotten inventor, but as the father of the future. It didn't happen, but maybe it still can, if we dare to dream again.